Students, classification of phylum Echinodermata. Next, subphylum to Eleutherozova. In this subphylum, Asteroidea is completed. Now goes to class 2, Ophiuroidea. What about Ophiuroidea? Ophiuroidea includes with brittle stars, basket stars, serpent stars. Brittle stars, basket stars, serpent stars present in class Ophiuroidea. Arms are long in these animals. Arms are long, clearly separate from central disc of the body. Arms are clearly appeared and these are separated from the central disc of the body. And arms are flexible and branched in some, for example, Gorgonocephalus. Student, these are the arms are moved by serpentine lashing movement. Serpentine, that means snake-like movement. Arms are moved by serpentine lashing movement. 2 feet does not bear suckers. 2 feet are the appendage, smaller appendages from the umbilical grooves of water vascular system. Okay, these are the 2 feet large suckers, does not bear suckers. Next, madreporite is on oral surface. Oral, that means where the mouth is present, that is oral part, oral surface, oral region. Madreporite is on oral surface. Pedicellarian arms absent. Pedicellarian arms are absent in these animals. Arms are absent in some. Next, development is indirect. Ophiopluteus larva. Larva is Ophiopluteus. Next, student, which are the example for this class Ophiuroidea? Ophiothrix, that is spiny brittle star. Ophiothrix, spiny brittle star. Next, Gorgonocephalus, it is the basket star, student. Gorgonocephalus, basket star. In this animal, arms are divided into branches. Basket star. Next, class 3 Echinoidea, student, it is important. Class 3 Echinoidea. Echinoidea, the class includes with sea urchins. Next, body is ovoid. Ovoid means oval in shape. For example, sea urchins. Body is discoid in shape. Body is discoid, disc shape structure in sand dollars. Sand dollars, Echinodiscus, it is the sand dollar. Next, body is covered with movable spines. Body is covered with movable spines and arms are absent, student. It is important, arms are absent. 2 feet does not bear suckers. 2 feet without the suckers. Next, test or corona or case. It is the characteristic feature. What about this? Calcareous ossicles in the body of animal united to form a hard substance that is called test, corona or case, formed by union of calcareous ossicles in body. Next, madreporite anus arboreal in position. Madreporite anus arboreal in position. Next, pedicellaria are 3-jawed. Student, pedicellaria are 3-jawed. Okay. Next, Aristotle lantern. What about the Aristotle lantern? Presentation of the Aristotle lantern is also important feature by these animals. Aristotle lantern, that means if you observe in the mouth of the sea urchin, there is a 5-jawed masticatory apparatus. 5-jawed masticatory apparatus, that means that helps to cutting the food particles. In mouth of the sea urchin, there is a 5-jawed masticatory apparatus that is called Aristotle lantern. It is absent in heart urchins. Student, development is indirect. that is Echinopluteus larva. Aristotle lantern is absent in R torchin. Okay, larva name is Echinopluteus. Echinopluteus larva. Examples: Echinus sea urchin. Echinus sea urchin. Next, Echinocardium R torchin. Echinocardium R torchin, normal name. Echinodiscus, normal name sand dollar. Next, cake urchin, scientific name Clypeaster. It includes with Echinus, Echinocardium, Echinodiscus, Clypeaster. Next, class 4, Holothuridia. What about Holothuridia? This is the entire class includes with sea cucumbers. Okay. Next, body is elongated in oroarboreal axis. In oroarboreal axis, body is elongated like a cucumber. Next, body wall is leathery. Body wall is leathery or coriaceous, and dermis contain loose spicules. Dermis shows loose spicules. Student, in this animals belong from class Echinidae. Body is covered with movable spines. Okay, in these animals, class 4 Holothuridia, dermis contain loose spicules. Next, arms, spines, pedicellaria absent. Arms, spines, pedicellaria are absent in these animals. Mouth is surrounded by retractile tentacles. Tentacles are the just arm-like structures. Okay, and these are retractile. Retractile, that means take back, draw back in position. Mouth is surrounded by retractile tentacles. Helps in capturing of the food particles. Next, 2 feet bear suckers. 2 feet bear suckers. In animals belongs from class Echinidae, 2 feet bear suckers. And animals belong from class 2 Ophiuridae, 2 feet does not bear suckers. Okay, 2 feet bear suckers. Madreporite is internal, student. Madreporite is internal, occurs in coelom of the animal. Next, respiratory organs are a pair of cloacal respiratory trees. One pair respiratory trees present in the cloaca region of these animals. These are helps in exchange of the gases. Respiratory organs are one pair cloaca respiratory trees. Development is indirect. Larva is auricularia larva. Okay. In the animals belong from class Ophiuridae, indirect development, larva is Ophiopluteus larva. Class 3 Echinidae, larva is Echinopluteus larva. Class 4 Holothuridia, indirect development, larva is auricularia. Which are the example for Holothuridia? Holothuria, Synapta, Thyone, student. Okay. Class 2 Ophiuridae includes with brittle stars, basket stars, serpent stars. Class 3 Echinidae includes with sea urchins. Class 4 Holothuridia includes with sea cucumbers.